welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I am going to be doing a brow routine using both a brow pencil and a brow pomade. So one eyebrow is going to have just a brow pencil only, and the other brow is going to have both the brow pencil and the brow pomade, and I will try explain the differences between the two. So if you want to see my brow routine, keep on watching. I'm going to start with this eyebrow, and for this eyebrow I'm going to be using just a brow pencil only. I'm going to be using this brow pencil. It is my favorite brow pencil, and it is it's all rubbed off because I use it so much. It's the Rimmel Professional Eyebrow Pencil in the color black brown. I tend to avoid using anything that's too black. I would use something that's just a little bit lighter than my natural brow color so it doesn't look too thick or too bold. Now my second tip with drawing your eyebrows on is to always use a sharp pencil. Don't use something that's been used down until it's a little nub. Especially if you're a beginner, I would recommend always sharpening your eyebrow pencil. My skin has been prepped and primed, and now we're going to start by brushing out the eyebrows in an upward motion. Just using the brush that comes with the pencil, but you can use any brush. You can use a toothbrush or a spoolie brush, whatever you're comfortable with. So I will start by sketching the brow from the center of my brow and sketching it in an outward motion, following the natural shape of my brow. It's important to keep a light wrist because we're sketching, we're not drawing. If I'm just using a brow pencil, this is all I will do. Little gaps I've missed, I will fill them in. But with the second brow, I'm not going to be filling it in with the pencil. All I'm going to be doing is just lining the brow. I'm going to be very lightly just outlining the shape of the brow. Favorite brow pomade is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade in the color Ebony. It comes in a little pot like this, and I'm going to be using the Real Techniques angled brow brush to apply the pomade on. Now once the brow has been lined, I like to take my angled brow brush and then start to fill in the brows in a similar motion to how I was drawing them, in light hair-like stroke. With brow pomade, your brows tend to look a little thicker, so I do recommend using brow pomade when you have a full face of makeup because it can look overwhelming when you just have brows on and you've used the brow pomade. Your eyebrows literally look like a cartoon. The thing about this brow pomade is it's waterproof. So what I like to do with brow pomade is I like to really fill in the tail of my brow. Like I want it to be as thick as possible, like really pack on the product there. But towards the center of my face, I like to be light with it. So it gives that natural ombre effect, whereas if you have the whole thing thick, again you have the whole cartoon brows thing going on. And some people do like that look, but for me personally, I prefer the natural ombre effect of the brows. Now to conceal my brows, I like to use the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NW45. It comes in this little pot and it's a very creamy concealer. And to apply the concealer, I like to use just a simple little angled brush. We're going to start concealing the brow that has just the brow pencil on it. So using my angled brush, I would dip it into the concealer and then I will start to line underneath the concealer, clean it up, any little mistakes I've made, but also giving it a clean finish. Once my line has been drawn perfectly, I will then bring the concealer down brow. Now I will go over the brow in the same technique. Blend the concealer out in an upward motion away from the brow. This just makes it easier to blend in after you've applied your foundation. I'm going to do the same on the brow that has the brow pencil and the brow pomade. Again, we're going to use the same concealer and the same brush. Our brows are done. I personally like to draw my eyebrows on first just to shape and frame my face and just prepare it for any other eye makeup look or foundation look that I'll be going for. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup off camera and you will see the end result soon. So keep on watching. But this is the final look for my eyebrows. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any comments, please leave them in the description box below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye!